Hello guys, this is Randy. Welcome back to my channel, and it's been a long time since the last time I posted a video. It's because of what happened with my family. I've just lost my dad and my sister 3 weeks ago, and you know, it's just only today that I have the courage to pick up my camera and do this video. So the one that I'm going to show you right now is the HOKA shoes. This is my favorite brand. Like, it's not because of the name, but I haven't heard about this one before. It's just only like 6 months ago I've been seeing it online. Like, it's been popping up in my screen, so I seen like there's a good review about it, so I decided to buy. And I bought like months ago the Scapegoat, this shoe. So this is the one that I've been wearing in my job. Like, I stand like 12 hours a day because I'm a nurse. And yeah, so because I've been complaining about back pain for quite some times now, and I've just realized I think it's all about the shoes that I'm wearing. And so far, this is the most comfortable shoes I've wore. I've tried Nike, Asics, Adidas. Adidas is not bad too, but this one is more comfy. Like, it's so light and very comfortable. Like, I love it. So I've ordered another shoes from HOKA, and yeah, this is the Clifton. By the way, that is the Scapegoat 4, the one that I've just shown you. This is the Scapegoat 4, and this is the latest one, Clifton 8. Yeah, so this one is comfy too. Like, look at that, very comfortable. I love it. So yeah, and I tried wearing them, and you know, it really didn't disappoint me. Like, I love it. So I ordered another one, which is in the box. So it's been a while since it's been delivered, but didn't have the chance to open it. And because I was telling myself, like, I need to do a review of shoes, but you know, as I've said before, what happened with my family, that I didn't have the chance to do it, and I didn't have the power or the energy to do an unboxing video. So just only now, because I'm going to put it in my luggage. I'll be traveling soon to the Philippines to see my mom, and I'll probably stay there for a couple of months, then come back here in the States. What the future will bring, but I'm thinking that I'm going to take my mom with me here in the States. She's going to have a holiday, or probably go to Canada and visit my sister in Calgary. So this is the one that I've ordered. Actually, this is one for like hiking or trailing. Oh gee, this is a huge box for kind of shoes. Anyway, sorry, it's a bit messy in here, but hey, it's unboxing anyway. So this is HOKA, and I'll just have to do a quick yeah, this is, oh wow, I love it. Good God, look at that. And it's so light. Gee, guys, you should get your hands on these shoes. Like, you should get one or more. Like, I highly recommend this product. It's amazing, and the support here in the ankle part, it's good, and like it's waterproof too. So yeah, I love it. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell below, so that you will be updated with the latest video that I'm going to upload. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.